So as soon as you walk in, we have the bathroom. So it's got a nice big vanity, solid wood vanity, granite countertop. It is a single sink, but it is pretty big. All the toiletries. Yeah, we have the full-length mirror. If we open this guy up, we have hangers, extra pillow and blanket, a couple of robes. I believe there should be a safe in here. There's a vacuum in there. It's kind of dark. And I believe the safe is back here. Yeah. So, safe back there. Iron. All right. So in here we have the bathroom. So we got a toilet, shower tub combo. We have a subway tile with a green pattern here. And just a standard shower head. A towel rack over the toilet. We move out of this area, we have the kitchenette. So again, we have a solid wood cabinets. We have a microwave. We have the glassware with the ice bucket, coffee maker, toaster oven, and sink. And notice they changed the dish soap. So instead of the Palmolive, we have, let's see if it'll focus, it's Ecos hand dish soap. All right. And then we have the small fridge that you find in all the Disney Vacation Club studios. As we enter the room, we have the armoire with the TV. We have 6 drawers. We have the queen bed, standard queen bed in all DVC studios. We have the pull-out couch, which also pulls out to a queen bed. Coffee table. And we have a small table and 2 chairs. And then check out this view. So we have a theme park view here. We have California Adventure. What a view. You get a small table and 2 chairs out here on the balcony. Perfect for that morning coffee or late night drink.